Looking for a full HD monitor that's great for work and entertainment? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're taking a look at the Philips 241V8 LCD monitor, featuring a full HD display, smooth 100Hz refresh rate, and vibrant visuals. With eye care features and a sleek design, it's a great choice for work and entertainment. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Philips 241V8 LCD monitor power cable, HDMI cable, monitor stand, monitor base, user manual. Product features. Enjoy smoother motion and more fluid performance with a 100Hz refresh rate. It delivers a cleaner, more enjoyable viewing experience than traditional 60Hz displays. Whether you're browsing, working, or gaming, every movement appears smoother and more natural. The 24-inch Full HD VA display produces sharp images with rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. Wide viewing angles ensure consistent picture quality whether you're working, streaming, or browsing. The high-contrast VA technology enhances detail, bringing movies, photos, and everyday content to life. Adaptive Sync technology helps reduce screen tearing, stuttering, and motion blur by synchronizing the monitor's refresh rate with your graphics output. This results in smoother visuals during fast-moving scenes and gameplay. It provides a more seamless viewing experience for both entertainment and everyday computer use. LowBlue mode and flicker-free technology work together to reduce harmful blue light and screen flicker, helping minimize eye strain and fatigue. They're ideal for long hours of work, studying, or entertainment. You can stay comfortable and productive for longer without unnecessary eye discomfort. Technical specifications. How to use. Secure the stand to the monitor and attach the base until it is firmly locked in place. Position the monitor on a stable, level surface, or install it on a compatible 100 by 100 mm VESA mount for a cleaner, more flexible workspace. Ensure everything is properly tightened before use. Plug the power cable into the monitor and connect it to a power outlet. Use an HDMI or VGA cable to connect the monitor to your computer or laptop, then power on both devices. Select the correct input source and set the display to 1920 by 1080 at 100Hz to enjoy the monitor's full performance. Safety tips. Use a stable surface. Keep away from liquids. Ensure proper ventilation. Handle with care. Use the correct power source. Clean safely. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.